Hello, I'm at a restore kind of near Pete. Oh, here's one of these copper Menardses. Doesn't have the light kit though. These are kind of cool. Always liked those. A nice old low profile Wisconsin state bird. Cool stained glass light in there. Some blades. I don't see anything particularly cool. Okay, let me go get what I came for. Thanks for watching.